Hey guys, today in this video we're going to learn how to check saved reels on Instagram. And what we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. Then from here, let's say we're going to tap on the reels, which is here next to our profile. And then let's just tap on the three lines and tap on save. Then let's scroll down a little bit. Maybe let's tap on save. Can scroll down, and let's see, we can tap on save on this one. In order for us to check these saved reels that we have saved, what we have to do is to tap on our profile. They are going to tap on the three lines. Then, as you can see, just here at the top on this subheading, which is how you use Instagram, we have this saved option. They are going to tap on it. From there, we can actually see all the posts that we've actually saved from the first to the last or all. And as you can see, we actually have even the field that we have saved. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.